Guys, in today's video, we are talking about 3 things that can excessively destroy your life. Number 1 is alcoholism, 2 is drug addict, and 3 is smoking. You see all these 3 things, first starts as a choice. And when you get addicted to these 3 things, it destroys your life, your relationship, your finance, your business, so on and so forth. But see, today we are going to learn how we can break free out of these 3 things. Before we go into the video, if you are new to the channel, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever new videos are out. Don't forget to like, share, comment your thoughts after watching this video. This video is sponsored by Hepa Plus, Pavi, and Plasmox for your general well-being and the boost of your immune system. And guess what? You see these 3 supplements, herbal supplements. These are supplements that can detoxify your immune system and keep you back on track if you are this addicted to these 3 things we are going to discuss. First of all, let's dive into the video. Number 1, alcoholism. Someone is going to ask, what is alcoholism? Alcoholism is the urge to drink excessive, alcohol. So when you develop this kind of habit of drinking alcohol, you start getting addicted to it. And why do you think people drink alcohol? People take alcohol. Number 1, they say they take alcohol because they overthink. This is a lie. When you overthink, the best thing you can do is find something, a habit, in which is a very positive kind of thing. Maybe you are a fan of watching movies, you like to, walk, you like to listen to music. Just find something to engage yourself into. That's going to help you, get back on track. At least it's going to help your brain. Now, people end up taking alcohol and saying, my relationship, I've been facing some kind of challenges and I need to think. And because I can't think straight, I need to take alcohol. Sometimes people end up to say, if I don't take alcohol, I can't eat fufu, big bowl. Some alcohol, appetition, I say any kind of alcohol, 1 bottle. You see, all these kind of things are things people need to learn, and people need to know that excessive intake of alcohol will destroy your liver, your lung. In fact, it's destroying your immune system slowly, but you don't know. Excessive consumption of alcohol doesn't just, destroy you instant. It does it slowly. So when you get addicted to it, to extend that all the time, you actually don't see the impact now, but in the future. That's why we see people turning up being drunkards. Their life become miserable. I'll just advise and say excessive consumption of alcohol is bad and it can ruin your life, but not instant, but slowly. It's going to ruin your life. Not just your life, but your immune system is getting ruined. Number 2 is smoking. One thing people haven't realized about smoking is that they think when you smoke, especially when you're in a cold weather, all you need to do is smoke to keep yourself warm. Smoking excessively is a very bad habit. Take away your life short and it can damage your lungs, liver, and in fact your kidney due to the substance you are smoking. Now let's take cigarette for example. Cigarette contains substance that, in fact, that kind of substance, when it gets into your body, it's going to ruin your immune system, your cells, your blood cells. It's going to ruin them slowly. How is this going to ruin slowly? You don't know how this is going to ruin you slowly. Smoking introduces toxins and hard chemicals into your lungs every day. So you see, at the end of the day or at the end of some time, you start experiencing lung issues. That's termed as lung cancer. Lung cancer is caused when you smoke excessively. The smoke that you are smoking, depending on what you are smoking, I know someone is going to say you can smoke marijuana because it's good for your health. You see, marijuana is a herbal plant that is naturally used in medicine. We have in a little quantity of herbs in it. But bear in mind, excessive consumption of this herbs is going to destroy your life. You can't consume it continuously because you're abusing it when you consume it continuously. It's going to end up giving you lung infections and even damage your liver. Do you know the reason why you must quit smoking. Number one, you should quit smoking because the excessive intake of whatever you are smoking, number one, it reduces your lifespan. It makes you look older. I mean, aging. You can then you see, does this guy look young or old? That's the first question you're going to ask yourself. This guy I'm seeing, the guy looks old. Now, when you do excessive smoking, it's going to let you look old than your age. So you can see someone who will tell you, I'm 20 years old. But you think this person is even like going to the early 40s. That's number one. That's the one thing. You know, alcoholism can do that. Smoking also does that. And see, one thing people haven't realized about smoking is that it doesn't just shorten your lifespan, it reduces stamina. Because it has actually reduced the stamina that you could have used to, you know, stimulate your body and stand and do something excessively, like with full energy. Now, all the wash marijuana, weed, tobacco, air bonto, wash a cigarette. All these things are substances that are harming the immune system. But believe me, you don't know. And the last one is drug abuse. You see, drug abuse is one of the most popular destructive acts on social media. We all can attest to the fact that you got to some time where you see people, you know, popping 255, tramadol, molly, mention them, meth, all sort of substance into their body. What they don't know occurs in their body is that after taking all this kind of hard substance, abusing them, when you abuse them, when this chemical gets into your body, it has this kind of reaction it gives back. And it's actually bad. And you see, one thing about drug is that for drug, it doesn't actually work slowly like alcoholism and other stuff. Drug doesn't work slowly. Drug works within a short period of time. Okay, so for example, you've gone to a nearby drugstore, pharmacy, you've gotten yourself a tramadol, a whole pack of tramadol containing I think 12 or 10. Then you've popped 5 tablets of tramadol. Do you know what you're actually doing to your body? You are forcing the heart and the brain to do something it can't do, because the brain itself alone carries, in fact, it carries a huge part or portion of your entire body, immune system. Whatever you are doing, the brain carries it the most, followed by the heart. Now, when these two organs are being powered to act or react to something that they can't handle, it will end up destroying you. You can even die within that. But you see, people take it, they think when you take tramadol, let me explain this thing. People think when you consume tramadol, it will let you not feel pain, it will let you work harder. It's a lie. Tramadol is only given to people that have gone into a very hard kind of accident. They are into severe pain. Tramadol reduces pain, not the kind of pain as in girlfriend and mouth broken heart, you are in pain, then you take tramadol. No. Tramadol reduces pain when it's been prescribed by the professionals. I mean the doctor healthcare, you know, professional healthcare, that's the doctors prescribe for you or to you to take. As in you've gotten a surgery, they give you tramadol to consume. And when you consume tramadol, when you take it in the hospital, it's actually prescribed for you. It's going to reduce the pain. How much more you, the laborer, the one that do carpentry work, or a mason, or say overnom tramadol. When you take tramadol, this is what it does to your body. You are already fit. You are physically fit. Emotionally, you are good. And you've gone to take tramadol. When it gets into your body, it doesn't detect anything that is off your body. So now it sends information to the brain and the heart, and it overworks and it does something that it's not supposed to do. That's why you see them sleeping, because the hidden truth behind tramadol that the drug addicts don't know is that when you take tramadol, it wouldn't encourage you to work harder. No. When you take tramadol, it will rather let you go into sleep. It will rather acquire a sleeping tablet. It will rather let you, you will go down. You will sleep. So taking tramadol and working at a maybe a galamsey site, thinking say it will let you work harder. It's a big lie. People pop what's the name 255. I don't actually know that red. That's what they call red 255. Yes, people take 255 thinking say when you take 255, it's also another form of boosting the immune system. But no, you can boost your immune system with herbal supplements like Hepa Plus, Pavi, and Plasmox. This herbal supplement helps to detoxify your body and remove any unwanted chemical substance out of your body and keep you fit and strong like you were. But people end up taking hard drugs like what I mentioned, tramadol, 255, meth, heroin, and all sorts of stuff. This kind of drugs are not the drugs that are good for your immune system. If you want to boost your immune system, we have herbal supplements you can use to boost your immune system. We have natural herbs that actually needs to be taken. You need to consume them and it's going to boost your immune system. It's very necessary to quit drugs. Quit all the top 3 I mentioned. Smoking, you must quit it. Alcoholism, you must quit it. And also drug addict, you must quit it. Also remember, your life is very important to you. In fact, your health matters. You need to quit all these things. And even when you quit them, always remember that whatever you do, the future awaits you. And as you are quitting it too, try your possible best to detoxify your body with herbal supplements like Hepa Plus, Pavi, and Plasmox. These herbal supplements are going to help your body, regulate properly. It's going to boost your immune system and it will detoxify your body, as I said, and get your body into its previous state. And stay tuned to my next video. Thank you. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't. Like and share. Also comment your thoughts. Share this video to your friends, family, and loved ones. And in fact, if you think somebody is going through these 3 things that I have mentioned, drugs, drug addicts, alcoholism, so on and so forth, kindly share this video to him or her. You can also get to know what we've actually spoken about and what is actually going on, how to stop it, and how to get encouraged. Thank you.